so many cute projects with this set, I wasn't going to get it. Here are some quick tips for heat embossing. Cut out the image first, run it through your die cut machine, remove the static. I used Versamark to ink the right side of the die, and then I used white embossing powder. Dip it through a couple of times just to cover it thoroughly, and then take your heat tool and you're going to use it on the back side to warm up the cardstock, and then start heating up the front and just move the gun around and you'll start to see that white powder start to melt. It truly is a quick and easy process, but it's important to heat up both the front and the back. Now pick up your face. Do the same thing you just did for the body. After you use the Versamark ink, get that white embossing powder on there, heat it up, watch it melt, and look at all the fun projects you can make with it.